Alright, so I'm running some liquid moly engine flush right now, letting it rev about 15 minutes, get a good clean. Then I'm gonna hit an oil change and put some Ceratec. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything, but my truck loves it, so that's what's going in there. Whoa. A little quicker than I thought it was going to be. Be honest, that looks pretty damn clean. And I'm glad that's a magnetic bolt, because it'd be down in the bottom of that. After running the engine flush, I like to just... Definitely not going to run this in my engine, but I'm going to waste a couple bucks just to kind of rinse before I put in the good oil that I want to run. Alright, so this is like the messiest part of the whole deal, because your filter is full of oil and there's no way to unscrew it without a bunch of oil pouring out all over. So as you can see, I set up some paper towels and I'm gonna just pour that right in there. Well, that worked well. Alright, let's see what this stuff's about. Ceratec. I'm putting green oil and beige paste into my engine today.